All right, guys, 2012 Dodge Challenger V6. Got some nice red accents all the way around. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converter there, factory X pipe there. Then we got some FLOWMASTER Outlaws, part number 815427. Be a link in the description for them right there. We took the mids out and replaced them with them. Then it's got factories out the back on each side, there and there. And factory tips right there, right there. There's the two we cut out of it that were in the middle right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Only 20% of you guys subscribe, so make sure you guys please hit that subscribe button. We really need that support. It's barely. Only when you get on it, you hear it. Again? Huh? Again? No?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
I thought I was going to have a little bit more of that.
It's the V6.
The Super 10 sound lower than that?
That's the loudest Outlaws. FLOWMASTER Outlaws are the loudest.
Yeah.
Next step is take the back two off. You want to do that?
No, not right now. I'll come back and get it.
Again? It's getting louder when it warms up too. Again? Here's sound decibels. Right at 90. Because you said you didn't want it loud, you know?
Yeah.
The next step is the back two.
Taking the back two off to put it at what?
About 99 to 110.
Yeah, I was trying to get up to about, what is it without that?
Like straight pipe?
Yeah.
About 110.
No, I'm saying without the...
without
the
110,
Outlaws.
yeah. With the Outlaws,
Factory.
with
No, I mean like just the factory house.
70s.
I got you.
So it's 89 right now. Again? Rev it up. Rev it high.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and back it out. It's not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's 615.